Day 4 of my sourdough challenge. Welcome back, guys. It starts to smell quite nice. So it's not like old socks anymore. Yeah, and I'm not sure, I can't see any bubbles. So I'm gonna make a little bit of new dough just in case. So yeah, today we see, we're gonna make the procedure again, and gonna see what happens then tomorrow when we prepare the dough for the bread. Let's start. So, come with the flour. Again, 50 grams. Water, and let's feed our sourdough. Yeah, so that's it for today. So I just realized today I don't, because closing the glass, I'm gonna probably just use this as a lid, so it doesn't soak any moist, but it's better to keep it closed, because otherwise it develops this dry skin, which is not good. So, wood, that it still can breathe a little bit. Nevertheless, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna just sterilize a little glass. So I'm gonna make one today, little tiny one, parallel to, just in case. Yeah, I hope. Still hope. Now I can see bubbles, as if it hears me. I have to show you. Hang on a sec. He listens to me, and now there are bubbles. And maybe it's just me, but this tiny little monster there, a big one in there. Now bubbles come. Okay, please just rise. Here comes more and more and more. So he got now food. Here, can you see them rising? So he got now fed. Yay, let me eat. Sir, are you alive? Please, 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 please. Here we go. Can you see? Working. I don't understand this thing. Seems like it's like my daughter. Still gonna do it, just in case. It bubbles, it bubbles, it bubbles. Now you're coming. The whole day was nothing. Whatever. So, it bubbles. Okay, we're gonna see, because tomorrow this thing needs to work. Please, please, please. So, gonna see you guys tomorrow. Let's hope for the best. Please, 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 please. And another one. We see what happens tomorrow. I just hope this bread's gonna work. Oh, it's really science, but we see. I really, really hope. But like I said, I'm gonna make a little one. This is gonna be also the one which comes then into the fridge. Little bit, if this gonna work with a big glass, I'm gonna take one of this dough then into this little one too. So I wish you a lovely evening, guys, and see you again tomorrow. Mwah.